hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
All that shit you're talking? What? Bitch. Bro, come on. Bro, come on. Oh my God. Let me go, bro. Come on. Let me go. Come on. Play.
Bless up in my paper. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing go. The attacking boss, they are my viewers and subscribers. You see me? But you see that world you know, my people. I be a crazy thing that go on in the world. Be a crazy thing. You see me? Crazy thing. Because now my viewers and subscribers, you know. That little piece of clip that even though I can't show on the full thing because you don't know guidelines my people on the channel and thing. Zin, but this is over in America now. And you know say it's a female that you know. Like she sick or something happened to her, but she in a hospital in the bed. See me? Naked as the day she born, cover up under her sheet and thing like, you know something wrong with her, my people. She have all her jip on her hand. And it's another female that big chopped in, tumble female, rolling this now. Decided so for something, some reason, whatever difference them have with a man problem or whoever problem them have, my people. And she attacked the female while she in the bed asleep. You see me? You don't like she that say something like call her name or something and she go, you know what I mean? Like, my people. But one thing I can't tell my viewers and subscribers, even though the one when at the bed sick, you know, she not just did the technique, you know. You know what I mean? In the end she get conquer, yes, but she not just did the technique. She put up a resistance, she jump up and she start fire back and fist back and this and that, my people. But me I say now, you female now, you big tumble one. You're a coward. You're a fool. You're an idiot. Because you see somebody sick now. See? If you want proof so you're tough, you want proof so you're bad and you're wicked. And whatever problem you have. Wait till she good. Wait till she alright. You get what me I say? But you go attack somebody in a sick bed now. What is that? What is that? You're a fool, man. You're a punk. You waste of time. You waste matter. Real thing. Even do not because you're a woman. Me I go cover up for you and say, I'm sorry for you. Sorry for what? Somebody need for bill. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, it's a lot of boy. Jaja, me say the woman asleep in the bed. And she go there attack the woman in the bed, in the hospital bed. They feel lock you up, man. You deserve some jail time. You don't deserve to be a road amongst people because there's a wicked, there's a cruel sin thing. If people kind of the bed, me say people, the girl in the bed fall up, you understand? And she have body too, you know. See me naked as a day at the barn. Everything out I do, man, and but she stand up, my people. She never does did and not take you and cry out. It's in the end now. Basically, and it look like she the one rolling there, you know, roll with somebody for video it to, you know. Because the person who video it like she said, done now, finish now if I can't hear. You understand? Because she rolling with her friend for video it and say, look what me I go do with the girl. So when you do this now and put it out there, oh you look like a punk, man. You look like a fool. You see? Because anybody who has sense in their real mind, I go say, yo, she's a coward. Why would she attack somebody while they're sleeping? You get what me I say? He's a coward, man. He's a punk. He's a fool. You know? I just say me I tell them my viewers and subscribe. This world is so crazy. People, not the world. As the people that said NEWLINK, not the world, the people. Yeah, people in this world is so crazy. They're losing it, man. Them not on the head. And as I say, people, this is not yard. This is over in the USA. Because when I'm link over USA, attacking boss. Look here. Over America, this is going on attacking boss. Put it out the attacking boss. You see, be a crazy. This is going on the world amongst people. Amongst our brothers and sisters. We cannot live as one no more. Honestly, if we do these things, although them things are going for years, span top of years now, but if we behave in this way amongst our brothers and sisters, what you expect the other people and for the other races to do? We should not live loving, you know? We should not live loving. If we check history and look back in our history, no, man. Oh, we used to be beaten and now they used to deal with us. But now look that we are turned power with one another. We are turned by one another, we want to kill one another, we envy one another, we grudge one another, we bad man one another, we don't want to see one another strive. You want to take away your woman, your friend man, you want to take away this because you see your friend man, I give him something, him man I do the same thing, want to take away bridging, woman, all of them sit me and go on. one bag of tumble in this world. Oh my burl, oh my peaches, NEWLINK. Jaja see, Jaja knows. Just won't come for your world. Too much. Some people, big up on yourself, you know, see a long time when I drive and do the vlog them. Not so. I know I see me. Naturally, I see me, I drive when I do the vlog them. Remember them original days, yeah? Yeah, man, we have to find back the groove in my people because a new year, you know, so we have to get the people them back in tack and make them look and see the attacking boss here we are move. So, I more love my people, more respect and more blessings, and thanks to love, thanks for the support, the like, the share and every comment. Don't know, say one team, one dream and one scheme of people, and just continue to do the right thing. You understand? Look out at this my people. Be a evil people out there. You know what I mean? Be a evil everywhere, every day you can think of my people. So just stay safe and do the right thing. And remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe my people. Peace out, blessings. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attack.